Mullins' brother seems like a problem.
Him bigger than a problem. The man coming like a recurring cancer.
You want me to deal with him?
No disrespect in a silver. That one is bigger than you. Me, I have to deal with this.
Alright, boss.
You know, say me have a feeling he might back the boy Carlton Wallace too.
Why you feel so?
Because him moved the container and never load it up. And Carlton Wallace name up on the manifest. That mean I him a protect him.
So, maybe him calling Nepa.
Exactly. That's why, my friend, Mullins have to go.
Anything you say, boss, I love.
Me go want your page 1G code. Just to make sure him stay away from Carlton.
And disappearing the boss, can't find him. And he move his son too.
Well, find the youth mother or something. We need leverage.
Alright, we jump on that. Bossy, you know some funny movement with Luna.
Funny movement? What kind of funny movement?
She got this place look like a government building more while.
The place not a name.
No, I know. On the outside not a name. But on our lunchtime, about 2 or 3 hours spent on our lunch break here.
How often she go there?
Sometime 2 or 3 times a week.
Been a move Shady for months now, you know.
Bossy, we just have to make it know.
Hi, Mr. M. So you have somebody following me now? Sir, I'm not comfortable with this. Please ask them to stop. Pull your agents. I don't want this. I'm not comfortable with this. My day is already complete and I'm going home. I don't need anybody's protection right now. Plus, I don't want my fiancé to know that anybody is following me around, no? Okay, thank you.
Mrs. Xpressionz to be.
Who is this?
The name is Carlton Wallace.
Mr. Wallace? Are you sure you have the right number?
Oh, yes, I do.
And what could be your reason for calling me now?
You see, Miss Perez, I fully understand you taking your fiance's side and not wanting to have anything to do with me. And based on your attitude the last time we ran into each other, it seems you may have heard some really bad things about me.
And what difference does it make if I've already heard bad things about you? That shouldn't matter to you in the least.
Well, Miss Perez, life is a very strange thing. And I wouldn't want one day I end up in your care and you administer some bad injection or bad medication based on what you've heard.
Do you know what I do, Mr. Wallace? If you end up in my care, you wouldn't really know. You'd already be dead.
That sounds like a threat.
No, that's a pathologist telling you the facts.
Oh, yes, that's true. So, while we're on the topic of pathology, how do you feel about pathological liars?
What is the real reason for this call, Mr. Wallace?
Miss Perez, whatever Tony Esperanza told you about me, hold some truth. Some of it might be true, but I'm sure the story was embellished to make him the hero.
Listen, Mr. Wallace. Whatever happened between you and Tony is between the two of you. That has nothing to do with me. However, I've already encouraged him to stay away from you.
Oh, really? Oh, and he does.